The life of a devotee often apparently appears to be full of calamities and difficulties and distresses. Therefore, sometimes people develop a misconception that if you become a devotee, then there will be difficulties in your life. But we have to understand that these apparent difficulties are there in order for Krishna to protect his devotees. If the danger is not there, then where is the question of protection? If the life is happy and honky-dory, then what's the point in, where is the question of protection? Only when we are in danger, then there is a question of protection. Now Krishna wants to show the world how he protects his devotees. Therefore, the devotees are often put into difficulties and danger, so that the world can see how Krishna protects his devotees. Now, when one is faced with that situation, it's extremely dangerous. It's extremely frightening. But that's another quality of a devotee. He simply depends upon Krishna. He doesn't try to defend himself or try to rectify the situation himself. He just submits himself. That is a sign of a pure devotee.